what's up? This is Lauren and we're at Legoland Florida for a preview of the new Lego Galaxy area, including that new coaster. Let's go inside and see what's going on. So as you can see here, it says be among the first to ride the Galactic Coaster, launching tomorrow, February 27th, and you can apply today's ticket to an annual pass. You just gotta visit the guest services. And all the maps have been updated, so as you can see over here, it's kind of towards the back of the driving school and over towards like right in front of the water park area. Over at the Firehouse Ice Cream, they have the 2 scoops of blue cookies and cream ice cream, served banana split style in a souvenir cup with fresh bananas, rich chocolate sauce, cookie crumbs, and out-of-the-world sprinkles. We might have to stop by and try that out later. Over at Kickin' Chicken, we have the Supernova sandwich. So we have a crispy chicken breast sandwich, topped with a purple sweet Thai chili glaze, topped with a sesame, carrot, and red cabbage slaw, and finished with a bold blue roasted garlic mayo, served on a soft brioche bun, and with a side of ube ranch dusted fries. Alright, we are over by Lego Galaxy area. So we got a big show building here. We got Spaceports 885. Looks like we have a little like entry area. It's making some sound effects with the lights. Lego Galaxy. A little astronaut. And then over here, got a little alien. Got the logo.
Enjoy your time here.
Oh, and got a little robot. Like a little flower, little Lego statue here. And got a little another Lego figure. Spaceport 885, your launch pad for epic space adventures into the Lego Galaxy.
Jones likes adventure too.
Over here you have some more alien characters. So you have the guy over here that's actually the eye is moving. It's rotating. You have the one in the middle, Galaxy with the astronaut. Looks like he's about to plant flag. Over here you have the one holding up his little friend. Pretty cool. Really big space, really big area. A lot of people here right now, so it's kind of hard to see, but maybe a little later it'll kind of clear out. But yeah, very nice. Got some planetary plants. And let's go look over here and see what we see. Got a little spaceship with a little guy in it. A little playground play area. I guess, well, maybe the parents are riding the ride, or maybe they're older sisters and brothers are riding the ride, or maybe they just don't want to. We got another little cute little baby alien. Another astronaut. Looks like he got some stubble on his face. That's funny. Alright, here's the entrance. We got Space Explorers, Fast Track Pass, and Single Riders. Let's go look at the rider safety. Galacticoaster is an indoor coaster. Gives you all the specifications or rules, I guess. Guests must be at least 36 inches tall to ride. Guests must be 36 inches and 48 inches. Well, I guess between 36 inches and 48 inches must ride with their supervising companion who is 14 years or older and 48 inches or taller. And it just gives you kind of the lowdown. Over here, these are going to be the lockers. So the first 2 hours are free. You're going to scan the QR code on the locker or use the kiosk to rent. $8 per additional hour for the small lockers. Over here is, looks like the additional queue. You got some characters in here to keep you entertained. And here are the rest of the lockers. We're going to be entering from the Space Explorer side to the left. Got a screen here. Alright, here's the mission briefing.
Cadets, look sharp. Your Your mission briefing is about to begin with Explorer Captain Nova Orion. Mission briefing starting in 3, 2, 1.
Listen up, cadets. We need your help. A giant space rock is swooping towards us. It's the asteroid of probable destruction. But both ingenious plans have mysteriously failed. Over to the man with Plan C. It's our chief engineer, Biff Dipper.
Hey cadets, the C stands for connect, because Plan C depends on you. The plan is to break up the asteroid by harnessing the most destructive force in the galaxy, the separators. These guys just can't help breaking things apart, so let's turn their menace into a force for good. We continue the cadets to lure a swarm of separators to the asteroid. Over to Commander Olivia, who is out to find some.
We've located large swarms of separators in space sectors Alpha, Beta, and Charlie. Couldn't get too close. There are more than ever, and are likely to separate anything that crosses their path. Jones is telling you to be careful. He's right. You'll need to locate these separator swarms in your spaceships. You have told them that bit, haven't you, Biff?
Just getting there. Okay, cadets. First, you need to customize the spacecraft so awesome that it grabs the separator's attention like nothing else. You'll need to make your spacecraft speedy, too, because as soon as the separators come for you, it's time to go, 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 before they can separate you, too.
Woo-hoo! Check me out above! My gravity skates just fizzled out! Hey teammates, drifting in with a hot tip. We're all doing this mission in Cruiser 4. Might be you don't know all your crewmates yet, but let's dive into building together.
Cadets, time is running out. Just remember the 3 S's. 1. Spacecraft. Customize it. Climb aboard. 2. Separators. Locate them. Lead them to the asteroid. 3. Safe return. Watch out for wormholes and debris. Get back safe. Got that?
Alright, so it looks like the next step is to collect our spacecraft keys, collection point, and each family is stepping onto one number, so as you see 10 and 9, 10, and each one has a specific color, so yeah, we're going up to that next. See some screens over here that are intermittently playing some media, so mission aim, stop asteroid from crashing into the spaceport. Please wait here. Alright, we're getting wristbanded up.
Oh, I have 2 just in case one of them fails.
Alright, we got 2 case of failure, mission failure.
I'm gonna have you stand on orange number 9, please.
Alright, number 9, come on up. Double banded. There we go. Let's go. Alright, stand on your number.
I would have guessed he was from Florida.
Let's see what terminal we get. Alright, maybe terminal 9. Question mark? Oh, yeah. Maybe it corresponds to your dot. Derp. You can see all over here.
You'll be picking a design for each of your vehicles, okay? As a reminder, each terminals do have a timer on it to speed along the process, okay? So you must decide which design you want. This will tell me to take over for me to explain more.
Biff Dipper here, Chief Engineer. Come in, cadets. Do you read me?
Yes,
As
sir.
the asteroid of probable destruction is zooming closer to spaceport, it's messing with my signal. I'm sending over blueprints for the basic spacecraft I designed for your mission. Your task is to customize my basic design and then ride it into space, okay? Work together and follow my instructions. Let's hope this signal holds. First, pick the coolest nose design for
Alright,
your
let's get the
spacecraft.
coolest nose.
Swap, tap another nose.
I like that one.
Do nothing. Simply stand back and wait for my next instruction. Pick quickly. Whichever nose is on your spacecraft when the timer runs out is the one we'll keep. Time's up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, cadets. You picked your first bricks.
Oh, we gotta do the burgers. Yes, let's go.
Remember, you need wings to zoom away from the separators so they don't catch up with you when you do what separators do best. Make your pick.
I feel like the burger's a popular choice.
3, 2, 1. Great things, cadets.
Alright. Tail, it's gotta be unicorn rainbow.
That doesn't have to be right the first time. Pick quickly. It's nearly time. 3, 2, 1.
This thing's looking interesting. Oh, wow. Okay, this is cool. Lollipop, sprinkly, lollipop stick, cake pop. I like it. Alright.
This means they'll
Awesome.
chase you to the asteroid.
Okay. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Hurry now. Time's up in 5, 4,
Alright, there's our vehicle,
2,
guys.
1. Amazing teamwork, cadets. You did it. Wow. That looks awesome, Rocketeer. Dr. Lang, remember, cadets, you need to stay in your teams and...
Alright, so we're in the main queue right before we get on the ride. You can see Spaceport 885. You can see the logo. Kind of a bit of a line, but not too bad actually. And you can see the ride vehicles over here. And yeah, we're about to ride.
Attention cadets. Mission into the Legoland Galaxy.
Sector Alpha ahead. Separator swarm up ahead. Hold it steady. That's a big swarm. Quick, head for the asteroid. They're taking it apart. Team course, now. Let's get out of here. Whoa. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Don't forget to return your spacecraft key, okay guys, into the black hole abyss right in here. And we go into the gift shop, so we have these cool like Lego astronaut plushes and t-shirts. And the puzzles, $19.99. It's cool like little telescopes, astronauts. The astronauts, $54.99. Lego Friends. Legoland Florida, a little dry fit t-shirt there. Little bucket hat. Silly alien. What else we got here? We got little tiny Lego sets. Out of this world, Dad. Alright, we got Diplo. Little key lights. Pencil case, backpack. Space Explorers Wanted. Little Grogu. A lot of Star Wars Lego sets. Cool little t-shirt. More plush. We got the pins here. Wally. More space stuff. Alright, so looking for Legoland Florida for the Galacticoaster preview there. A lot of cool spin elements on it. The launch in the first half was really, really fun. I quite enjoyed it. It's a little short of a ride, but it's going to be great for kids and families. Like I said, you guys come out and enjoy it. Nice. Who do we have here?
Alien dancer.
Ooh, Alien Dancer. How do you like the new roller coaster?
She loves it.
Can you show me some new dance moves? Awesome, love it. Well, nice to meet you, Alien Dancer. Hey. Alright, it's a little cleared out here, so a little closer in the front we got the little spaceship with another alien, a little one-eyed alien. The entrance. Spaceship. Alright, so that's going to be from the Legoland Florida Resort. We got to check out the new Lego Galaxy area media preview as well as the new coaster, Galactic Coaster. Really cool launch in the beginning as well as some theming and spinning elements. I have to say 10 out of 10. Great for families, little ones, everybody alike. So you guys come and check it out as well as the food we tried. Really yummy. Ice cream was great as well as the chicken sandwich was really good too. I hope you guys check it out and see you guys next time. Bye!